Alright, so in real time I'm going to show you our bike ride from Casa Carol to the beach. The first part of the bike ride, it's actually not a bike ride, it's just a little bit bumpy as we leave the house and we go to the main road here. So I'm going to have to walk the bike, okay? So let's go along to the beach. Alright, and I'm going to hop on the bike now. Hopefully things on the bike are going to work out okay. The seat's a little bit loose on this bike and the chain comes off. Last night in the dark we were riding to a really good restaurant called Mar Bar, and on the way back in the middle of the night the chain fell off. Fortunately the chain is so loose that it's really easy to get back on, and we had flashlights with us, so it took us about 5 seconds for the repair. Hola, buenos días.
Buenos días.
That little out-of-control swerve there was brought to you by the various speed bumps that they have here in Palm Beach Estates of Playa Grande. Those are speed bumps on steroids. See if I can catch up to Peg. She's always in a rush. Got a plane to catch somewhere. Gonna be taking a left here. Oh, here she is, just circling around waiting for me. Alright, let's continue. Your kickstand is down, by the way. Just we'll get it when we get back to the beach. There you go. Don't know what the surf will be like. It's a beautiful morning though. A couple wispy clouds in the air, blue sky. Should be awesome. Here's the Playa Grande surf camp. You can rent a board there. I think it's $40 for an hour and a half lesson, and then you get to keep the board for 24 hours. Of course, you can't use the board for all 24 hours, but still seems like fun. Here we are, taking the right-hander into the beach access road, if you can call it that. Sign saying, "Welcome to the little national park area, Marino Las Baulas." Anyway, I'll hop off the bike and then I'll just quickly walk us down to the beach, and that'll be the end of this little video tour. Thanks for coming with me. One surfer out there. Over there in the distance is Tamarindo.